Well, folks, we are at Bear Camp with Corey Grant here at All Terrain, and we're having an unbelievable time. We're in the middle of nowhere, remote Manitoba, right? And you got a lake full of walleye. So we've been very fortunate to catch lots, eat lots, and you're never stop learning when you're in the outdoors. And Corey's has a method of cleaning walleye, filleting them, cheeks, that gets every piece of possible meat left, and he does it so quick. He's been doing it for your whole life.
Oh, my whole life.
Okay, so he said he'd show us on video just so we can remember and share with people, because it's just a really effective method. So,
okay, first you need a very sharp knife. Should be good. And what we've done here, at first we've bled the fish. So we've cut it up here and just left it on the stringer in the water. And that will keep your table, your meat super clean.
if you didn't bleed them, the table would be full of blood.
The table would be covered. So,
okay.
Anyway, that's how we start. We take both fins, you angle it slightly this way, flip it over, and then we'll go right to the vent.
And then lots of pressure on the knife down along the spine.
Follow the spine, yep. And then there. Oh. So, there's your two fillets.
Clean up in a second.
Here's your, we call them wings, other people call them fins, whichever.
That's an interesting piece, because a lot of people don't realize that belly meat's outstanding, but these battered and deep fried just eat like a chip and like a wing. So that whole piece, other than a couple cartilage in there, is completely edible. So that's a great piece of meat too.
Cheeks.
And you're not pointing your knife in. You're just gouging down there, and without peeling the skin, peel it right off. Those little medallions. Beautiful.
The best part.
The most tender, right? And just peel right off the skin. Perfect.
Just like that. So that part is done. Now for this row of ribs, we're gonna flip it over, start here on the top of the rib bones, put pressure all the way to the end. There's
Look
your
at
ribs.
that. Slick. Then you have one little line of bones left, right?
One little line here. We'll off. And there
Beautiful, beautiful fillet. So that's taking full advantage of the belly, the top, and complete beautiful fillet, no bones. Cheek and wings.
Number two. Oh, just a little piece. Same thing.
There you have it.
That little strip
every ounce of meat off that fish you can use, and boneless.
And boneless.
That's beautiful. That makes for a great day at Bear Camp.
And when you bleed them, you hardly even need to wash them, as you can see. They're super clean.
Great job. Thank you. Hey folks, hope you enjoyed this video. For more great videos and content, please subscribe to our page and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see. And to follow our amazing adventures around Canada, please join us on Facebook and Instagram.